Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Samsung refrigerator freezer and you're having an issue with the freezer Icemaker not making enough ice or not making any ice or something like that. If you're having any kind of issues with it, what to do about it, like what's causing it and how to fix it. So the number one thing that might be happening is that you might have some kind of a clogged filter. Clogged filter is you're not gonna necessarily notice it right away, but what'll happen is that the clogged filter will start by allowing less water in, and so the production of your Icemaker will start to slow down, and maybe you'll be depleting the amount of ice you have quicker than you used to, until it'll eventually stop working. And to do that, you'll just need to check the filter on a regular basis, and make sure you're keeping it clean, and replace it if it gets too gunked up to deal with it. The next thing is that you might have low water pressure. So if you're having low water pressure, then you might not notice it at first, or you might not notice it at all if it's always been like that. But if you're kind of dissatisfied with the amount of ice that the Icemaker is making, or if it seems like it has degraded over time, the amount that it's making, you want to check for any kind of water pressure issue. So again, this could be like some kind of clogged piping, using the wrong kind of water piping going through there, and so you just want to also just check the water pressure that you're getting even from the tap in your in the refrigerator. And then finally, you might have some kind of faulty Icemaker assembly, or just a problem actually with the Icemaker, and it also might be frozen up. Make sure it's not too cold. If it's too cold in the freezer, even though it's supposed to be cold, everything can freeze up. And so if which actually you can check from your refrigerator. If your refrigerator should be between 37 and 40 degrees, if it gets colder than that, then frost buildup can occur. And if none of these fixes it, you might need to call out for help. Another thing you can always do is either reset the refrigerator or reset the Icemaker, simply cutting power to it and then turning power back on. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.